Just had a hair transplant? One of the most important things you need to know is how to wash your hair properly afterward. Starting from day 3 to day 10, you can begin washing your hair, but you need to be super gentle. Here's how. 1. Pour the special shampoo into your hand, mix it with water, and create foam. 2. Use the foam to gently clean the donor area, usually the back of your head. No rubbing. 3. For the transplanted area, just pat the foam on gently. Never rub, scratch, or press hard. 4. Rinse with lukewarm water, letting it flow gently. Don't spray it directly on your scalp. 5. Dry your hair using a soft towel or tissue. Just pat. Don't rub. Avoid hot water, hair dryers, or scratching the transplanted area. Remember, the gentler your care, the better your results will be. Healthy grafts equals healthy hair growth.